Red Thunder Biodegradable Degreaser is one of Malco's most versatile cleaning products. Red Thunder is a highly concentrated, non-caustic degreaser designed to remove a wide variety of dirt and oils from both hard and soft surfaces. This versatile formula leaves surfaces film-free and is safe for aluminum applications. Red Thunder is phosphate-free, body shop safe, and VOC compliant, making it safe to use in almost any condition. Red Thunder can be diluted to various levels to tackle a wide range of surfaces and soils. For heavy soils on engines, tires, wheels, white walls, and concrete, dilute 1:1. For mud flaps, floor mats, and tree spotting, dilute 1:3. And for general purpose, dilute 1:5. For all of these, spray the product directly onto the desired area, allow the product to dwell for 1 to 3 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly. For carpet and upholstery, and vinyl or plastic, test color fastness in an inconspicuous area before starting. Dilute 1 to 10 and spray directly on the areas being cleaned. Blot up or extract excess liquid. Red Thunder Biodegradable Degreaser is the closest thing a professional detailer can get to a one-size-fits-all cleaner. From wheels to aluminum to interiors, Red Thunder gives you a safe and effective cleaning option to tackle most jobs. Find out more about Red Thunder Biodegradable Degreaser from your local Malco distributor or by visiting malcoautomotive.com.